You silly, Mila. You silly little girl. Yes, you are. You're a silly little